Hey everyone, it's Megan with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, here to tell you guys about a fun event happening in our Littleton store at the beginning of August. We are going to be having HandiQuilter come in for a 2-day hands-on event on August 3rd and 4th, and a 1-day hands-on event with Pro Stitcher on August 5th. The hands-on event that's going to be 2 days is going to be all about the basics of long arm quilting, several of the techniques you can do, and it's going to be a really fun time for people who are looking into getting a long arm, or if you just want to get more comfortable with yours. The Pro Stitcher Day I'm very excited about because we go over the basics of Pro Stitcher, and then we also talk about different techniques you can do in it. So if you're thinking about doing automation with your quilting, it is such a fun class to join us with. If you want to come to the 2-day event, the cost is going to be $149, and for the Pro Stitcher, it's going to be $99. Lunch and snacks are provided, and it's going to be in our Littleton store, so we're very excited. We get to hang out with Lynn and her crew, and then we've got Wayna and Shauna coming from HandiQuilter. We look forward to seeing you there. Make sure you sign up online, and I will see you guys at the event.